Next we will discuss that to calculate principal when compound interest rate and n means number of years are given. Then how can we calculate principal? Okay, so let's see. Firstly, we take an example. Find the principal which will amount to rupees 4500 in 2 years at the rate of 4% per annum compounded annually. Okay, so here amount is given, n is given, and the rate of interest is given, and we have to find principal. So as you know, what is the formula to find the principal? Also we have to we have the formula of amount, that is principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to power n. So as you see, amount is 4500, and we have to calculate principal. 1 plus rate is 4 upon 100 raised to power 2. Okay, so we solve it. 4500 is equal to P 104 upon 100 raised to power 2. Okay, so now we can write it as after solvation we get 26 upon 25 raised to power 2, which is again equal to 4500 is equal to P. When we solve it, its answer is 676 upon 625. Okay, now take this on left hand side. 4500 multiply by 625 upon 676 is equal to principal. Okay, so now we solve it. After solvation we get 4160.50. so principal is this one. Okay, in this way we can find the principal when amount and rate and time is given. Okay, next is we calculate time of investment. Okay, so the compound interest is given, that is 1800 at the rate of 10% per annum for a certain period of time is 378. Find the time in years, means now compound interest on this one. So this is the principal. वो कह रहे हैं कि इस पे कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट लगा, रेट इतना लगा, तो हमारे पास कितना आया 378. मीन्स 378 इज आर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, 1800 इज अ प्रिंसिपल and 10% is rate. Okay, so as you know that compound interest is given, that is 378, and the principal is also given, that is 1800. Okay, so first of all we find the amount. How to calculate amount? Compound interest plus principal. ठीक है, तो 378 plus 1800 which is equal to 2178. So we get the amount. Now we apply the formula of amount, that is 1 principal 1 plus rate upon 100 upon raised to power n. N is number of years, means time. Okay, so amount is given 2178 is equal to principal is also given, that is 1800. 1 plus rate is given 10 upon 100 raised to power n. Okay, so now here 1800 is of multiply. Take on left hand side, it becomes divide, is equal to 1 plus 0 cancel with 0, 1 upon 10 raised to power n. 2178 upon 1800 is equal to 11 upon 10 raised to power n. Okay, so now we calculate it. Okay, divide it on the table of 18. The answer is 121 upon 100. Okay, now as you know, 121 can be written as 11 into 11, and 100 can be written as 10 into 10. Okay, and it can also be written as 11 upon 10 raised to power 2 is equal to 11 upon 10 raised to power n. So these both are equal. As you know that if these are equal, base are equal, then powers are also equal. So n is equal to 2. Clear? So the time is 2 years. In this way we can find time. Next is how to find the rate. Okay, when principal, amount, time is given, then how can we find the rate? Let us take an example. At what rate percent will a sum of rupees 1000 amount to rupees 1102.50 in 2 years when the interest is compounded annually? Okay, so in this question we have to find the rate, and principal and amount is given, rate is also given. Okay, so as you see that time is given, rate we have to find. As you know that principal is always less than the amount, so our principal is 1000 and amount is 1102.50. Okay, so now we have to find the interest rate. So let us solve. As we know, the formula of amount is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to power n. Okay, so amount is given, that is 1102.50 is equal to principal is 1000, 1 plus r is we have to find r, and time is 2. Okay, so now take 1000 on this side, is equal to 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to power 2. Okay, so now we solve it, and after remove the point, 2 zeros, 0 cancel with 0, and after solvation we get 441 upon 400. जब हम इसको कैंसिल करेंगे तो हमारे पास ये आंसर आ जाएगा. ठीक है, 1 plus r upon 100 raised to power 2. Okay, now we can write it as a 21 upon 20, means like 21 into 21 and 20 into 20. 1 plus r upon 100 raised to power 2, or we can write as 21 upon 20 raised to power 2, which is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 raised to power 2. ठीक है, तो पावर्स गेट कैंसल्ड, क्योंकि ये वाला 2 उधर जाके स्क्वायर रूट बन जाएगा, तो स्क्वायर रूट पावर 2 के साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो दीज पावर्स आर कैंसल्ड एंड वी गेट 21 upon 20 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100. Now take this one on this side. 21 upon 20 minus 1 is equal to r upon 100, which is equal to 21 minus 20 and 1 upon 20, and take this r 100 on this side, 5. So rate is 5% per annum. Clear? Okay, the next is as you know that in our daily life many things like population of city, property value, etc. grow or appreciate over a period of time. So this increase in value is called the appreciation. Okay, and appreciation per unit of time is called the rate of appreciation. Clear? So let us discuss an example. The population of a town is 50,000 if the annual birth rate is 5% and the annual death rate is 3%. Find the population after 2 years. Now here population of town is given, that is 50,000, and the birth rate and death rate is also given, and we have to calculate population after 2 years. So first of all we calculate annual growth, okay, by subtracting the annual birth rate and annual death rate. So 5% minus 3% is equal to 2%. This is annual growth. Okay, so now we have to calculate the population after 2 years. Population after 2 years, लाइक जैसे हम अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करते हैं वैसे ही हम ये फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो प्रिंसिपल 1 प्लस रेट अपॉन 100 रेज टू पावर n. सो प्रिंसिपल इज 50,000 and rate is 2 upon 100 raised to power 2. Now we solve it. $50,000 multiplied by 51 upon 50 multiplied by 51 upon 50. So 2 zeros cancel with 2 zeros, 500s are and 5 20s. Okay, and after multiplication we get our answer, that is 52,020. So this is the population after 2 years. Okay. The next example is, in a factory, the production of motorcycles increased from 10,000 units to 13,310 units. For example, जैसे हमारे पास प्रिंसिपल होता है, ठीक है, तो प्रिंसिपल पे इंटरेस्ट वगैरह लग के अमाउंट आ जाती है, तो वैसे ही अब हमारे पास क्या है, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल पहले 10,000 थी, आफ्टर इंक्रीज होके हमारे पास प्रोडक्शन मोटरसाइकिल्स की कितनी हो गई, 13,310 यूनिट्स इन 3 years. ठीक है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट एनुअल ग्रोथ ऑफ द रेट. ओके, सो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट इट. So this becomes our principal 10,000 and 13,310 becomes our amount. Okay, so simply we apply the formula of amount is equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to power n. So 13,310 is amount and the principal is 10,000, क्योंकि अब हमारे पास पहले 10,000 प्रोडक्शन थी, ठीक है, 3 years में इंक्रीज होके इतनी होगी, ठीक है, तो ये हम अपनी अमाउंट ले लेंगे, ये प्रिंसिपल 1 plus rate is, we have to find the rate upon 100 raised to power 3. Take this on this side, 1 0 cancel with 1 0, 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to power 3. So we can write it 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11 upon 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 raised to power 3, which is equal to 11 upon 10 raised to power 3 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 raised to power 3. So powers both are equal, power gets cancelled because this cube it becomes on this side cube root, so cube root cancel with the cube. So 11 upon 10 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100. Okay, now take this one on this side, 11 upon 10 minus 1, which is equal to r upon 100. So its answer is 1 upon 10. Now take 100 on this side. So r is 10%. Rate of growth is 10%. In this way we can find rate. So next is, as you see that sometimes things reduces over a period of time due to uses or wear and tear. For example, value of a computer reduces with time. So the relative decrease in thing asset value over a period of time is called depreciation. Okay, and the depreciation per unit of time is called rate of depreciation. Okay, so अब डेप्रिसिएशन में क्या डिफरेंस है कि एप्रिसिएशन में तो हमने साइन हर जगह पे प्लस का लिया था, ठीक है, बट डेप्रिसिएशन में क्या करना है, हमारे पास साइन क्या होगा, नेगेटिव। ओके, यही दोनों में डिफरेंस है। फॉर एग्जांपल पी इज़ अ सेट वैल्यू, आर परसेंट इज द रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन पर एनम एंड एन इज द नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स। देन डेप्रिसिएटेड asset value after n years is principal 1 minus r upon 100 raised to power n। अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, माइनस। ओके, let us discuss an example. A builder constructs a house for rupees 50 lakh. Due to recession, its value depreciate by 20% in 2 years. What value does he get if he sells this house after 2 years? तो बिल्डर है कि उसने हाउस कंस्ट्रक्ट किया 50 लाख में। ओके, सो ड्यू टू रिसेशन जो वैल्यू उसकी वैल्यू कम हो गई बाय 20% इन 2 years। सो नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट दैट व्हाट वैल्यू डज ही गेट आफ्टर ही सेल दिस हाउस। ओके, एंड ही सेल दिस हाउस आफ्टर 2 years। ओके, सो the formula is amount is equal to principal 1 minus rate upon 100, 1 minus, okay, here sign of minus raised to power n. So as you know now principal is 50 lakh, 1 minus rate is 20 upon 100 and n is 2. So 50 lakh, 0 cancel with 0, 1 upon 5, 1 minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 2, which is equal to 50 lakh, 4 minus 4 upon 5 raised to power 2। ठीक है, एलसीएम ले लेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे। सो 50 lakh 4 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 5। okay, so after dividation and solvation we get rupees 32 lakh। so now the builder gets 32 lakh for the house after 2 years। okay।